Hey y'all, it's Mary and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats and welcome. I have some friend mail. Make sure I don't show any addresses. And I got a box. Now I did open the box just to get it started, but I have not looked inside. So let's see who my friend mail is from. Again, I opened these envelopes, but I did not look inside. This is from Valerie B. She's a subscriber and she is a wonderful subscriber and a good friend. And she's got super cute washi tape. Is that what y'all call that? I'm not a crafter, so I don't know the name of these things, but she's got some cute stuff on there. So let me open it and see what it says. Oh, it says, "Bless your heart for being so nice." That's such a beautiful card, Valerie. Thank you. It's a real light blue, if you can see that. Isn't that pretty? And then inside, hi, Mary Catherine. There might be some personal stuff in here, but I just want to tell you, the pen that Valerie uses is blue with sparkles in it. And it's gorgeous. And your handwriting, Valerie, is gorgeous. Let me just see if it's not too personal. It says, "Hi, Mary Catherine. I just wanted to send you a little something to say how much I appreciate you. Thank you, Valerie, and enjoy your channel. You and the kitties are a blessing. Thank you for just being you." It says, "Love in Christ, Valerie B." It says, I enjoy drawing, coloring, and making stickers. Some of these I drew myself. Others I stamped, and a few came from a color your own sticker book. Oh, how cool. I hope you enjoy them. P.S. I drew a pencil line on the back of a few to see where to pull them off. Oh, okay. So all right, I can show you. I don't know if you can see that. Can you see that? I don't think you can see it, but that pen is fabulous, Valerie. And her handwriting is gorgeous. Thank you, Valerie. That's so beautiful. And inside is this little package. Again, there's that beautiful washi tape. I'm sorry, I don't know what that's called. I think that's what it is. That's so pretty. So Valerie's a crafter. You know, I am in awe of crafting people because it just looks like a lot of fun. And I think I could do it if I had the free time. You know what I mean? If I had some time, I would love to try to do some things. So she has this taped up nicely, and it is, all right, let me pull these out of here and see what they are. Ooh, there's some pretty stickers in here. There's a few. Let's see, get them all out of there. Okay. Look at how cute that is. That one says cat. Adorable. Thank you, Valerie. You know I'll use these. Look, that's so pretty. Plant. So some of these she has colored. Oh, this one, she signed this one. This looks like smudge. Did you make this one up, Valerie? Look how pretty that is, y'all. That's my smudge. And a pretty mushroom. I love your pens, because now these pens have the glitter in them. I don't know if that comes off on a little bit, maybe on the camera. And there's a cat print. And she has signed the ones, I think she signed the ones that she's done. Look at this pretty thing. Just a nice pretty flower, or, you know, like a, I'm not sure what you call that. Another mushroom. I love these mushrooms. They're psychedelic. Psychedelic mushrooms. And these cute paw prints. I love them. And this beautiful bird. Isn't that pretty? And flower. And here's another one of these mandala. Is that how you say that? There's a couple of those. And, oh, there's another, I think this is a little bit smaller. Yeah, a big and a small of smudge. So cute. And look at this one, little gray kitty. And here's another little gray kitty. Well, Valerie, you do a beautiful job. Oh, these are nice. This is a gift to someone, and to Valerie from Mary. To Mary from Valerie. How pretty are those? I can use those for Christmas time or for birthday. Those are very pretty. Thank you, Valerie. And then this last one is gorgeous. You know, I could never use it, Valerie. I'd have to, I'm going to put this on my refrigerator, honestly. It's so pretty. Look at that, y'all. The cat sitting and a little town there. You're an artist, Valerie, because you shaded this. I mean, you didn't just slap color on there. You made it you know, pop. It's beautiful. And the shading for the sky and all that. That's so sweet. Thank you, Valerie, so much for thinking of me. I love that. Thank you, thank you, thank you. You're so kind. Oh, I love it. And then I have a card from Robin Sadowski. Now, Valerie does not have a channel. Valerie is a subscriber, and she does not have a channel. Robin Sadowski has a channel. So let's see what this is a nice orange envelope. And this says, hi, just curious. A cute little kitten on there. And, oh, there's some stickers inside here, too. It says, what you booing this Halloween? God bless you, my friend, Robin Sadowski. Thank you for your birthday mail. Hope you are well. Have a great day. Oh, that's sweet. There are some stickers in here, Halloween stickers. And Robin has a channel, and Robin does a lot of hauls, and she does a lot of crafting, too. Robin loves to color, and she loves to do crafting, and she's really good at it. And she's doing some different things, like some newer things, and learning newer things. So there's a ghost. And look at this cute cat on the pumpkin. Love it. And then these pumpkins, these are like, you know, dimensional pumpkins. Aren't they cute? This white one is. And those are beautiful. Thank you, Robin. That's so sweet of you. And then Robin sent me one of these lovely Today's Prayers. I love them. These are really nice to get. The testing of your faith develops perseverance. And that's James 1:3. And that is the truth. Thank you so much, Robin. You didn't have to send me anything, but I appreciate it. Thank you. And then I have a box shawl. And this I was told was coming to me. This is from Sunny's Place. And Sunny's Place has a channel as well. And Sunny does a lot of makeup. She does a lot of unboxings, and she does beautiful makeup. And then she also has she has children that are grown. And then she has Noah. And Noah is a sweetheart. And Noah and I have become friends. And sometimes he'll do a Mass Monday. I think he's getting at that stage where now he feels a little too old to be doing that. But I usually have my M&C over here, but I changed it around a little bit for Halloween. But they have, we've sent back gifts before. And Sunny told me that they were making something for me. So I did cut it open, and I have no clue. She didn't give me any clues whatsoever. And there's some good packing in here. And, oh, it's packed. Oh, wow. It's packed with all this bubble paper. Oh, it's heavy. Okay, this is it. There is a card. Let me get the card out. At the bottom, there's a card. All right. That's all the stuffing. Let me put that down so I don't drop it. I'll probably drop it anyway. Okay, it says Mary Catherine. And look at that pretty butterfly on there. And then on the back, these cute stickers. How cute. Oh, how cute, how cute, how cute. This package is pretty too. I'll show it to you in a minute. Oh, that's so cute. Look at that. Oh, I just love cats, y'all. It says, hello, beautiful. Sunny is so sweet. Hope this finds you on a fabulous day. I'm so sorry it took so long for us to make it and to get it to you. Hope you love it. Love always, Sunny and Noah. Thank you so much, Sunny. Sunny's told me about it a little while ago, just that they were making me something. And then, you know, Sunny has some health issues, so she talks about it on her channel and stuff, which I think is great because people with similar issues can, you know, feel like they have a friend and also learn from other people. From YouTube has some fabulous stuff you can learn from. If you have anything going on in your life and you have a question about it, you'll find a video about it on YouTube that can help you. So I love that Sunny shares with us. So this is the package, and look at that beautiful tissue. Ooh, I love it. It's snowflakes and glitter. I love the glitter. I heard something moving in there. Let me unwrap it. I'm not sure. Ooh, it's something pretty, I think. Oh, look at that, y'all. It is a beautiful blue box, like a treasure box. And it, oh, oops. All right, hang on. It's locked. It's locked. Okay, it has this latch. It was latched. And then when I open it, oh wow. Oh, it fell over a little bit. Hang on. Let me see. Okay, I will show you real quick and then see if I can. I think this might go there. Okay, I see what's it got jostled. It got jostled a little bit. This is beautiful. Oh, I wish I had a shelf up there, y'all. You know, I might have told you before, if you're new around here, I can't do shelving because my old house won't take, I've even had someone try to put up some shelves here, and I have holes in the walls because of it. Okay, it fell apart a little bit, but I've snapped it back together, I do believe. And wait till you see how cute Noah is, y'all. It says, love Sunny and Noah. All right, let me show you. This is so pretty. I don't know what you call this, a diorama kind of a thing. All right, there is, look at how cute Noah is. That is Sunny's son, Noah. There's a kitty. Look at how pretty that is, this beautiful butterfly. And then look at this in here. It's a little fairy garden, and it's got cats. Maybe it's a kitty garden because there's all kinds of kitties in there. Look at how pretty that is, y'all. There's a bench over here with kittens on it. Can you see them? And there's a tree. And then over here is a water fountain. And there's a couple of kittens there. Can you see? There's one there. There's one there. They're hiding everywhere, y'all. And there's this cobblestone from the bench to the fountain. And there's a mailbox with some love, with some friend mail in there. I love that. Let me show it. Try to turn it all the way around for y'all to see. This is so beautiful and so creative. I love when kids do crafts, because nowadays you see kids everywhere with their cell phone and their tablets, and they don't use their heads anymore. They don't use their brains. So this had to, you know, this kind of stuff, crafting is so important for children, and building and making things. So, and Sunny and her husband are wonderful parents, and they are teaching Noah right. Look at how beautiful that is. Here's these beautiful bushes. Can you, all right, I don't want to turn it over all the way because I don't want to knock it over. It got a little beat up in the shipping, but I'll clean it up a little bit. Isn't that precious, y'all? Thank you so much, Noah. Thank you, Sunny. That is so beautiful. I love it. I love it. Look at all the thought and creativity put into that. I just love it. The bench has the kittens on it, and then there's the pathway to the water fountain, and there's more. There's cats hiding everywhere. I love it. Oh, there's another one. See in the bushes, there's another one. Oh, that is so cute. I love it. And then the beautiful stones down here catching the light. Oh, that is so beautiful, beautiful. So like a diorama is what they used to call it in my day, but I think this is like a fairy garden, but it looks to me like a kitten garden. Thank you so much, Noah. Thank you so much, Sunny. This is just, look at how happy I am. I just love it. I wish I could put it back there somehow, but I don't think I am going to be able to do that. So this will go on a place in my living room on my shelving. I have a wall of shelving that the cats cannot get to, because I love to look at this. Or I can even keep it closed and keep it near me and just look at it when I want to be happy and just open it up, because it makes me happy just to look at it. Isn't that, oh, y'all, thank y'all so much. It's so kind and sweet. And that was a lot of work, y'all. That was a lot of work. So thank you so much, Sunny. Go see Sunny, go see Robin. I'll put their links in the description. Thank you so much, Sunny and Noah. Noah, you're such a sweetheart. I love you. And thank you, Robin, and for the stickers as well. And thank you to Valerie for the beautiful card and stickers. Whoops, I have the wrong card there. This is Sunny, this is Robin, and this is from Valerie. And then the beautiful stickers. Y'all are so creative. Creative, and I love creativity. Thank you for thinking of me, and I appreciate it so much, y'all. Thanks for stopping by. Count your blessings. Bye-bye.